What's up YouTube? Jake here, aka BrusHstroKeZ, and today we're doing a little unboxing and opening. I was fortunate enough to win the gift box giveaway number 2 from another YouTuber. His name is Bob and his channel is Lowsittin without no G. It's Lowsittin Pinstriping. I will put a card for it right up here, and I will leave a link to his channel in the description below as well. But he had his second giveaway on his channel, and he sent me a package. So I did open one of these things partially because I wasn't sure what this was actually. So but other than that, I figured we'll open the rest of this together. So this one's kind of obvious what it is. This one is some one-shot paint. I'm not sure what color. Let's check that out. Some metallic silver. Cool. I do not have any silver, so that's probably one of my favorite colors. So here is the one thing I did partially open. So this was pretty damn cool if you ask me. What is this? It's pretty big shell casing. I don't know. That's 50 cal? I'm not sure. But empty shell casing with some pinstriping on it. Cool, cool, cool. I love it. And then I'm assuming some practice sheets. Come on. Ooh. Even better than some practice sheets. Ooh. Oh, hell yeah. Hell yeah. This is badass. This will be getting framed and going up on the wall right in front of me where I have some inspiration. I love it. So thanks a lot, Bob, for the package. All my subscribers, if you like pinstriping, if you're into that, please definitely go give his channel a subscribe. I'll leave that link below. So yeah, until the next one, keep those brushes stroking.